drivers travelling with passengers who have learning difficulties or complex needs can be at a higher risk of physical interference, which can be very dangerous for not only the driver but everyone in the car. Our Perspex Shields provide a protective screen, allowing the driver to maintain audio and visual communication without the risk of physical contact, ultimately increasing the driver's protection and providing a safe and worry-free journey. Perspex Shields can be supplemented by a panoramic rear view mirror to provide better driver awareness of the vehicle, its occupants and its blind spots. For more information about Perspex Shields and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone.
Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.